The purpose of these videos is twofold. Firstly, it's just to assure you that construction is continuing and on program. And then secondly is we like to bring you on the construction journey with us and explain to you what's happening in some level of detail. Building a project of this nature is very interesting and a little complex in parts. So we'll just break down little components and tell you what's going on. So at the moment, we're standing on site. As you can see, demolitions was completed last month. The whole site's been graded to contain the water on the site. That's done on purpose, and that's part of our erosion and sediment control, which is a DA condition the council imposes upon us. That stops runoff going into the stormwater on the street. So eventually that will be captured in a dewatering process, and we'll show you that in future months. Part of the dewatering system, they'll get driven into the site down 8 metres, filled up with 20 mil gravel, and then the water from underground will go into those and then be treated and pumped out. That's the next immediate task to occur, and then for our next update, the piling work's probably going to be here, and some of the external piles will be started, and we'll show you that in due course. That's basically it for this month's update. Just making sure we've got all the council approvals in place, our pre-start meetings, and then next month we will have some pretty big machinery on site and some exciting things to show you a little bit of action. So that's it for this month. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in a little while. Thanks.